Hi guys, Tanya here, sharing products and services that I love. Subscribe, I do a new video every week. I want to save you time, I want to save you money. That is my goal. Today we're talking about how to get curly hair straight at home, easy, by changing your products, okay? Change your products, change your hair with these products, chemically free. Anti-aging products, naturally based, no chemicals, okay? We're not adding anything to our hair. We're changing our shampoo and conditioner for the most part and some styling products. I've already washed my hair clearly and blown it out. That would have taken too long in a video, but I haven't used the finishing product, which is why I don't even use a flat iron anymore, because it has allowed me to spray it on and just go. It is a fantastic product. Monet just came out with it last year and I love it. Celebrity hairstylist Ryan Richmond uses it all the time. It's just an amazing product. So stay to the end and I'll show you that. These products cannot be found on Amazon or in the stores. I will put a link below with the products that I'm using and the order that I'm using them. And then of course, there are multiple shampoos and conditioners depending upon your hair type. So take the quiz or let's chat so we can figure out what's gonna line up best for you and work best for you and your hair type. But right now, I'll walk you through the how-to. Okay, so first I'm gonna shampoo my hair. Monet is a little different. I jumped into the opportunity, quite honestly, on December 31st of 2019, not even having tried these products. I jumped in for the opportunity. It was my gut telling me I needed to do something because my youngest had gone into kindergarten and I had extra time and I needed to reclaim me. So I hadn't tried these products, and once I did, one wash, you will notice a difference from your shampoo and conditioner, whatever you're using, whether it is from Walgreens or Walmart or some high-end, something that you got at your salon. You'll notice a difference in these. They remove the buildup that is on our hair, and if you're older, as mid-40s as I am, you know that buildup, everything you put on it, and pollution, and everything that we do, all the heat tools that we use, it's completely damaging our hair. So you want to have something that brings back your natural oils and helps, and these shampoos just do just that. You have to wash twice. There's science behind it, but the one that I use is Renew. It's for thicker hair. Revive is going to be if you have thinner hair, but again, we can chat about that in another given point. So literally I've changed my shampoo, I've changed my conditioner, it's changed my hair. After I shampoo twice, I use the Monet Replenish mask. There are a couple of different masks depending upon what, I don't want to say problem, but what issues you may have with your hair that the mask can help fix. For me, it's hydration because my hair is thick. So this Replenish mask I use once a week. I only have to wash my hair once every 4 days, depending upon what I'm doing. But I don't get the oils. It has relaxed, my scalp has changed, my hair follicles have changed. These products have really been amazing. I've noticed it in the first wash, you'll notice in the first month, you'll notice in the second month, I've been using it for a year, and the results have just been outstanding. My daughter's hair, just the same, changing her shampoo and conditioner, made her hair grow more in 1 year than it had in her first 7 years of life, no joke. That video I'll put down below. So we do the mask and the shampoo. The mask does not, you don't replace it. It's not the conditioner. It's just a mask to help hydrate. The conditioner that I use is the Restore Leave-In Conditioner by Monet. Now, I've never used a leave-in conditioner. Honestly, they left my hair heavy. And because it's curly, I mean, you would think that you need all that hydration, but I'm straightening it. So I don't want it to be heavy. I don't want the leave-in conditioner to be tacky. None of those things. This is none of those. This is amazing. I mean, this product is truly amazing. So after I get out of the shower, I towel dry my hair, I get my big comb, I got my Restore Leave-In Conditioner, and I am just working it through with my hands, using my big comb as to not rip at your hair, especially when you have curly hair. You got to rub in the conditioner so you're not pulling it out because of any knots that might have happened while you were showering. And if you have longer hair, that's going to happen to you a little bit more often. So I've got the Restore Leave-In Conditioner. Before I blow dry, I don't know about you, but if you are straightening your hair and blowing it out, and I don't have any fancy tools, guys. I've got my round brush like you do and my not so fancy hair dryer, okay? I've got on the top of it, but nonetheless not fancy. So before I go to round brush it, I'm using this blowout cream. I was a product junkie on so many things, trying to find the right product. And I've used so many blowout creams, and this one, the first time I used it, I was like, wow, like seriously, how can this be so great? So it has the Rejuvenate oil, which is one of Monet's staples. It's 13 proprietary oils, and it's amazing. It's in a lot of the ingredient. It's in a lot of the products. But the other thing this has that you need if you're using hot tools, or if you're flat ironing your hair, and of course blow drying it, all those things get up over 400 degrees. You've got to have some protectant, because if not, you're going to damage your hair that way too. This has the heat protectant in it as well, so I'm not lagging on another product. So now we've talked about shampoo, the mask, the conditioner, the blowout cream, and again, all I'm doing, like you, is blowing out my hair. I didn't do it on the video because it would have taken too long, because it takes me 10 minutes. So this is where I'm at now though, okay? I've just blown dried. You can relate, you get to this point, and yeah, it's straight, but it still feels like it looks a little dry in the ends. Maybe I would flat iron it, but it no shine, it's just a little dry. And I wanted something else before I walk out the door, before I say, okay, this is my finished product for the day. So typically, maybe I would have flat ironed a little bit to take that. Not now. This product is the bomb. I will put the link for all the products again below. Stay to the end, and I will actually tell you how to save with the products versus paying retail price, okay? This is called Shine. They came out with it last year, and it is amazing, okay? I used to use the oil. They have the Rejuvenate oil that is amazing, and I used to use that. 1 drop of it, 2 drops of it. I put it in between my hands, and of course, massage it through my hair. Not oily, but this product is so amazing because I can never get too much. So let's show you just a little bit. It's a fine mist, so it actually, you're never going to put too much on it. Work it through your fingers, and you can see how it is relaxing, taking out any additional frizz, okay, and adding a beautiful, lovely shine, all natural based. And the thumbnail, I had the before and after, and you can just see it starts to frame around my face a little bit more than on this side. I was trying to look in the mirror to see what you guys see, okay? And all I'm doing is adding a little bit and working it through. Obviously, you don't want to focus too much on your roots. Again, like I said, I wash only 4 times a week and use the dry shampoo, which is also amazing. I'll put the survey below, so that way you guys can survey the quiz. You can take the quiz and see what products line up for you, or let's chat. Follow me on Facebook. Subscribe so you can see the other products that I do, and how can we save you time and money. I came into these products, I was looking to reclaim me, okay? I hadn't worked in 10 years. I was in corporate America before I had kids, and when I sat back and I had kids, I lost a little bit of me. And that's what I was trying to reclaim by now starting a business. This has been an amazing opportunity in the last year. And I wanted to share. If I can tell you about the opportunity, you've always thought about it, maybe thought about network marketing because you want to stay at home. I do too. I don't want to miss anything with my kids. But I did want the opportunity to reclaim me a little bit and get myself back out there. So that's why I took on the opportunity. Now, the pictures before and after I have on my Facebook page, because I just posted about this. You can go and take a look there. But it just adds a natural shine, right? And you're not using a whole lot. A can, I don't even know that I've gone through a whole can yet. But this allows me to not have to flat iron. It saves me time, saves me money. I'm not putting chemicals on my hair, and I'm loving the result. If you are interested in the products, look into the VIP program. You get automatically 15% off of retail. I can help walk you through these if you want. But you get a free product every month. It's called Flex Ship. You are not signing in where you're going to get an auto shipment of the same products or different products every month. It is not auto ship. It's called Flex Ship because you choose what products you get, okay? And you choose when you get them. If you don't want products for 5 months, I got to tell you, a bottle of shampoo is going to last you 3, 4, maybe 5 months, depending upon how often you're washing your hair, because you only need a nickel size to wash your hair with the shampoo. They're so concentrated, all the products are so concentrated that they take a while to go through. So you're not going to need to order the same stuff regularly. Change it up. But the more that you order in any one given shipment, you get bonuses on top of that. It's called Purchase Plus, and you can get up to 25% off of retail price. Plus, you are involved in flash sales. They'll send you emails when there's a flash sale, and some of the flash sales are amazing with 3 products. with that Flex Ship, you do get a free product that you get to pick every month. So there's a whole bunch of perks of becoming a VIP with not having anything that is over you on a monthly basis saying you've got to buy. You don't. You don't have to buy. You don't have to buy for 5 months if you don't want to buy for 5 months. You choose, and I can help walk you through that process, help walk you through the website if you need to. That's what I'm here to help. These products are amazing. They've changed how much money I spend on my hair. And they've changed what products I use on a regular basis, how often I wash my hair, which is a time saver. And then, of course, on the back end, now it's a business for me that I can stay at home with my kids and enjoy. I'll put the links below to the products. I'll put some extra videos below. Watch my daughter's hair. If you have kids and you have hair struggles because of the tangles and the knots, her hair has changed miraculously. It wasn't ever able to be tamed, and now it's amazing. So I'd love to share any products that I can. Reach out with any questions, put comments below, and I'd love to talk to you soon. Bye, guys.